What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. They have an absolutely massive catalyst coming up next week, and it could definitely send the stock going higher. We see right now it's trading at about up 10% on Friday. It is up an absolutely crazy amount. So we're going to go over all of the different pieces of news that are affecting the share price of Bionano Genomics today and what we can expect from this company in the future. So if you guys enjoy the information that I provide for you in this video, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, so you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So we saw over the past week or so that Bionano Genomics was kind of pinned in a range, and this was basically just Bionano Genomics consolidating after an absolutely massive run to the low $4 range all the way up to breaking about $12. We also see that almost every week we get a new saphyr study that comes out and absolutely blows it out of the water. Every single study that comes out seems like it's better than the one that they released basically in the week before. Bionano Genomics, in my opinion, is an unbelievable company. It started off really slow throughout the end of 2020, but when 2021 came around and Bionano Genomics was able to put out all of their saphyr research, we saw how powerful this company can be and is. So we're going to see a lot of great things from this company in the future, in my opinion. So let's go over this first catalyst that we have coming up next week for Bionano Genomics. So if we come over here, we can see that Bionano Genomics announced today that company management will present virtually at the BTIG MedTech Digital Health, Life Science, and Diagnostic Tools Conference. Eric Hallmelin, PhD, Bionano's Chief Executive Officer, is scheduled to participate in a fireside chat on Thursday, February 18th, 2021 at 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. So what's important about this is that we've seen a lot of these different conferences that Bionano Genomics has participated in, and almost every single time they release some new saphyr data, they talk about where the company is going and give some guidance, and the stock ends up going crazy. If we go back to the chart of Bionano Genomics, we can see that on February 11th is when they started their cytogenomics symposium, and we saw that the stock was trading at about 560 to 570, and by the end of that week the stock was trading all the way up at $7. Over $7 the stock went up to. So it went up about 40% during the week when Bionano Genomics was discussing their saphyr every single day. We also had another event similar to Bionano Genomics Symposium. This was the Festival of Genomics and Biodata that occurred on January 26th to January 29th. And if we scroll down here, we can basically see that Bionano Genomics was one of the keynote speakers, the agenda partners, Bionano Genomics right here. And if we go back over to the chart, we actually didn't see that much movement in the stock price. We actually saw a little bit of a sell-off, and then once this event was over throughout the week, we saw Bionano Genomics put out some more studies about the saphyr, and the stock went back up on its uptrend before we saw this consolidation period over the past week. Bionano Genomics also released another unbelievable saphyr study, and all of these studies coming out really give me a lot of faith and conviction in this company. So we definitely have to go over exactly what they put out. So if we come over here, Bionano Genomics announced the publication of a method for using optical genome mapping, OGM, to identify structural variants that drive cancer in a wide variety of solid tumor samples. The study, led by Dr. James Broach, the chair of the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology and director of the Penn State Institute for Personalized Medicine, used the saphyr system for OGM, optical genome mapping, to characterize structural variation in 20 solid tumor samples from cancer patients. The study showed that Bionano's workflow can routinely isolate ultra-high molecular weight DNA from solid tumors, that its software is able to identify the cancer-specific variants in the tumor even when they are present at low abundance in highly complex tumors, and that in every sample OGM found variants affecting important cancer genes. OGM with saphyr has been previously validated in constitutional genetic diseases from blood samples and hematologic malignancies from blood and bone marrow aspirates. The current study demonstrates that OGM with saphyr is also simple to use with solid tumors, the most common sample for cancer research and clinical testing. That is an absolute bombshell that saphyr is able to simply analyze these tumors and give the researchers and clinicians solid data and an actual direction of how to treat these individuals. Using Bionano's SP tissue and tumor DNA isolation kit, Dr. Broach's team successfully extracted ultra-high molecular weight DNA from a wide variety of human solid tumors, including breast, colon, liver, brain, bladder, kidney, lung, ovary, prostate, and thyroid cancer tissue. Every tumor sample carried at least one structural variant affecting important tumor suppressor or oncogenes, and most contained multiple variants. Several of the genes identified by OGM offer the opportunity for targeted therapies. Bionano Genomics is changing the game in terms of cancer research and cancer treatment. This company is absolutely amazing in my opinion, and I think they really could have an unbelievably bright future. At the current time, Bionano Genomics is the only company with this technology, and they are trying to get the saphyr system into as many hands of researchers and clinicians as physically possible. So Jim Broach actually commented on this. Oncologists studying liquid tumors, such as leukemia, have had the ability to visualize somatic structural variants across the entire tumor genome through karyotyping. This tool has afforded enormous benefits for prognosis and treatment selection, resulting in significant and steadily improving outcomes for such patients. But solid tumors cannot be analyzed by karyotyping, meaning that oncologists dealing with these tumors, breast, lung, prostate, brain, etc., have not had that tool in their diagnostic arsenal. He goes on to say that the results with Bionano's OGM technology demonstrate the feasibility not only of obtaining the same global view of somatic structural variants across the entire solid tumor genome, but also of doing so with 10,000 times greater resolution than afforded by karyotyping. We anticipate that, like the recent history with karyotyping in liquid tumors, OGM will yield unprecedented insights into solid tumor diagnosis treatment with the potential for the same steady increase in improved patient outcomes. Now, if you guys know of any individual, a family member, a friend with cancer, this should mean a lot to you. Bionano Genomics is going to change the game in terms of cancer diagnoses and treatment options. We also have a lot of rumors that ARK Invest may or may not be making a purchase of Bionano Genomics in the near future. As I've covered in my previous videos on Bionano Genomics, I think ARK Invest is waiting to see on the actual financials of Bionano Genomics as a company. If we go back and see where the company was trading at in December, this company was a true penny stock. It was trading at the 53-cent range, in the 50s, even broke down into the 40s at one point. This company was in very bad shape, and we're actually given a 180-day extension by the NASDAQ to meet the closing bid price rule of $1, meaning that Bionano Genomics needed to be trading at a price of $1 or more by the time that this extension expired. But after this extension, we saw Bionano Genomics come out with study after study after study about saphyr, and every single time the stock has gone absolutely crazy. I think this is all speculation, but if ARK sees that Bionano Genomics financials and future projections for where they are going as a company are in the right place, they might start to put some money behind Bionano Genomics. But there are a couple of other companies that are very similar to Bionano Genomics that they already have a position in, so they may not be taking a position in Bionano Genomics. But in my opinion, it doesn't really matter if ARK Invest puts any money behind this company or not now. It seems like this company is in an absolutely great position to really take over the cancer research space in the biotech field. So that's going to be it for this update on Bionano Genomics. We are set up to have a really strong week next week. We just saw a pretty significant breakout today of about 14% at the current time that I am recording this video. I think we're going to carry these gains into next week and continue throughout the week once we have an actual announcement from the CEO of Bionano Genomics. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the information that I provided for you, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, so you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, learn about a couple of new ones, and see exactly which options I am trading and which strategies I am using to trade them. So I hope you guys are having a really profitable day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.